Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm CS Jaspreet. If you're new to my channel, I make educational and informative videos for CSES and CMA students. So ICSI has just announced one more mock test on 7th January 2021 for the absentees. Now we know that today was the mock test for the students who are going to appear in CSEET on 9th January 2021, but there has been some issue that some candidates, they were not able to appear in the mock test on the aforesaid date, that is today, due to various reasons. Now the institute shall arrange a repeat mock test for such candidates. This is just for the absentees, not the ones who have already appeared today. The candidates who were not able to appear today can appear tomorrow, that is 7 January 2021, so that they are familiar with the test before appearing in the CSEET to be held on 9 January 2021. See, the basic purpose of this mock test is to make you familiar with this kind of online test. This is a remote proctored, through a remote proctored mode. You have to give this test sitting at your home through your computer. So you should be familiar to everything that you are going to deal on 9 January 2021. So to solve that purpose, for the students who are not able to appear, now they can appear tomorrow. The batch timings, user ID and password for the mock test to be conducted tomorrow, that shall be communicated by email or SMS to the candidates separately, and you're advised to download the Safe Exam browser in advance in your laptop or your desktop, from which you will be appearing in mock test or CSEET. The process is given, but if you have not, you don't want to go to the link, I had made a full-fledged video in which I have explained how to download SEB. I'll put the link in the description box also, and you can see the link in the I button as well. So you can click there and you can directly go to that video and check how to download SEB, because you cannot appear in the test if you don't have that Safe Exam browser in your laptop or your desktop. Through that browser only you can appear for this test as well as the CSEET, which will be held on 9 January 2021. Hope you found the video informative. Don't leave the channel without subscribing. Share it with your friends and like the video if you like the content of the video, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Pinterest as well.